Hi everyone, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. I'm really excited because the hard squash season has begun. And one of my favorites is a butternut squash. As you can see, I've already cut it in half because I'm going to show you a super easy way to prepare it so that you can use it in a multitude of dishes. And it's gonna be roasted. Now, you can do that with all of these other squashes, and I'm showing you these peppers because they're beautiful and they're out of my garden, but you can also throw them in the dish with the squashes as well. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut your butternut squash in half, and then you're going to peel it. And peeling it is hard if you don't have a really, really sharp knife or a really sharp peeler. So once you take all the peel off, then you're going to cube it. And when you cube it, it'll be in little cubes like this. And I use this beautiful roasting pan, and I put salt, a little bit of salt, herbs Provence, and some of my olive oil. And I toss it and I roast it in the oven at 450 for about maybe 10-15 minutes, just until it's al dente. It's a great way to throw this in salads, in rice dishes. I even put it in the burritos, or you could also put it in the blender and make a wonderful roasted butternut squash soup. So remember to stay sure, strong, and steady, and enjoy your hard squashes this fall. Have a great day.